welcome back to another episode. We have our old Kamakshi ji in the episode 3. Kamakshi ji, welcome to the episode. And so far, we have learnt about your musical journey and K Vibes. We got a very good response on these 2 episodes, and people had more questions about what K Vibes actually is and how K Vibes can help them on voice coaching as well as any opportunities, especially for the vocalists or the musicians.
Right. So, first of all, namaste everyone, and I'm glad that you guys are liking the podcast, and I appreciate all of you who are listening. And please do share, the kind work that Sharona ji is doing, that will help us to reach audiences. So, thank you so much for that. Coming back to your question, Sharona ji. So, today let's do an introduction to K Vibes. I think that will be a better way to explain what K Vibes is all about.
That's great. Yes.
And I think audiences will also understand what they are getting into. So, okay. So, K Vibes Unplugged is a school, or you can call it a school, you can call it a music institution. I would say it's just come home to music. It's a place where you can actually understand where you are in your musical journey, okay, and where you want to go in your musical journey.
Okay.
It's not a regular school where you would want to, just come learn the basics or learn the theory of music and, carry on with it and technically not really know where you're heading to. I want to focus on a path for the kids, for the people who are interested in music, to basically understand where they are getting into.
Okay.
Okay. So, first of all, when you talk about K Vibes and when it comes to the vocal part of it, it's not a school wherein we are teaching the classical aspect of music or Bollywood aspect of music.
Acha.
It's not specifically related to any particular genre. Okay. In the vocal part, we will be dealing with vocal techniques, voice culture, vocal coaching, breathing techniques, breath control, vocal dynamics. So these are specific things that we'll be, touching base upon, because hota ye hai, as I said in the earlier podcast as well, people learn music, but they don't know how to get the best out of their voice.
Acha.
They don't know what scale suits them the best.
Okay.
राइट जैसे गाना तो आ गया, गाना दे सीख लिया, लेकिन कई बार ऐसा होता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर गाना लें आपकी नज़रों ने समझा, ओके, लता जी का गाया हुआ गाना, अगर वो गाना लेते हैं, उसके अगर ओरिजिनल स्केल पे कोई गाना भी चाहे, हो सकता है गला साथ दे, okay, it's quite possible that you're able to sing it, but maybe your voice doesn't reach the range that Lata ji has sung in.
Correct.
That's one point. Second, the harkats or the the technical nuances that are there in the song. For example, जी हमें मंजूर है, अब ये जो मंजूर में था, जी हमें मंजूर है, ये not necessary everybody will be able to get it.
Correct.
तो इसको किस तरह से गाया जाए कि वो अटपटा भी ना लगे, because a person who has heard this song multiple times, okay, is used to listening to that हरकत.
That is correct.
ठीक है, तो जब वो हरकत नहीं आएगी ना, तो सुनने वाले के लिए वो it will be like
something off.
कुछ तो मिसिंग था
जी.
They might probably not understand कि क्या मिसिंग है, but कुछ तो मिसिंग था, right? So K Vibes focuses on these technical nuances that are there in the song.
Got it.
क्योंकि कई बारी क्या होता है, बच्चे होते हैं, बड़े होते हैं, है ना, गाना सुनते हैं और गाना उनको लगता है चलो हमने सुन लिया, हम वैसे का वैसा गाएंगे, लेकिन वो हो नहीं पाता, because they are not able to capture the nuance or the harkat. So what K Vibes will do, I'm just giving a small snippet of how K Vibes helps. We will break that down.
Acha.
That harkat, we'll break that down.
Okay.
Okay. We'll go with the the student to go slowly over that harkat.
अच्छा,
हरकत होता क्या है, पहले अगर हम वो जानने की कोशिश करें, हरकत इज नथिंग बट द फास्ट इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ एन आकार.
ओके,
ठीक है, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल
अच्छा,
मैंने 3 अलग स्पीड में वही आकार को गाया है,
गॉट इट,
बट जब मैं तीसरे स्पीड में गाती हूँ इट ऑटोमेटिकली कन्वर्ट्स इनटू अ हरकत एंड इट कैन बी यूज्ड वेयरएवर इन अ सॉन्ग.
गॉट इट,
Okay, it is too technical for probably I don't know if people will be able to relate to what I'm saying, but कहने की बात यह है, okay, in the crux ये है कि हरकतें या nuances जब गाने में आती हैं, okay, it has to be broken down for them to understand,
गॉट इट,
and that's what we will be doing.
गॉट इट,
So we'll be getting them close to perfection. I will never say we'll get them absolutely perfect क्योंकि perfect कोई भी नहीं है,
दैट इज करेक्ट,
but at least we'll try to reach to a place, you know, उनकी कैपेबिलिटी के हिसाब से.
गॉट इट. सो पुट इट इन सिंपल टर्म्स, बेसिकली यू आर सेइंग कि आप उनको रेसिपी सिखाएंगे,
बिल्कुल,
and then they can fine tune. It may not be an exact replica of the recipe, but they will go very close to get that flavor out of what they are doing.
absolutely,
Got it.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay, now this comes in the technical nuances part of the course.
जी,
Another thing that we touch base on is voice culture, okay, vocal coaching. Now what is vocal coaching? Again, this will be going to the basics of classical. ठीक है,
अच्छा,
सो कर्नाटिक में सरली वर्षे होता है जो कि शुरुआत के दैट्स द बेसिक ऑफ एनी क्लासिकल ट्रेनिंग दैट यू गेट. वही है आपका बेस फॉर ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक. सो वी विल बी टीचिंग दैट,
ओके,
but we will not be teaching for the students to learn Charali Varshe, but our technique is for their breath control. Our
Got
technique
it.
for them is for their vocal projection.
Got it.
Our technique is to understand, again here also it will help in the technical nuances because हम लोग स्वरों में खेलेंगे, अलग अलग स्वर के साथ we'll be practicing. So
Got
all
it.
that is touch based upon. Okay, that is one part of it. Dynamics will be your vocal projection.
अच्छा,
हर गाने को गाने का एक तरीका होता है. जब आप कोई बहुत ज़्यादा पावरफुल गाना गाते हो
जी,
तो उसके लिए वो प्रोजेक्शन जिस तरह का चाहिए, इट हैज़ टू कम आउट राइट.
ओके,
ओके, रिमेंबर द अदर डे आई वाज सिंगिंग धूम मचाले. सिमिलर जॉनरा का अगर कोई गाना लेते हैं हम लोग तो से छैया छैया, ठीक है, छैया छैया का जो फर्स्ट स्टार्टिंग है, द एंट्री ऑफ द सॉन्ग इज अ वेरी पावरफुल एंट्री, राइट. द वे इट्स अ फोक बेस्ड सॉन्ग,
correct.
राइट. सो
Yeah.
उसके लिए अगर आप समझो किसी की मीठी आवाज है तो आप इस तरह नहीं गा सकते, जिनके सर हो इश्क की छाँव, आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah.
यू कैन डू
वो
दैट.
फ्लेवर मिस हो जाता है.
बिल्कुल, अच्छा गाया है लेकिन यार मजा नहीं आया. So for that you will have to use your voice from the diaphragm wherein it has to be really bass.
अच्छा,
आपका chest voice has to be projected really powerfully. So जिनके सर हो, ये जो पावर है
पावर, यस,
अब ये पावर आप हर जगह यूज नहीं कर सकते,
दैट इज करेक्ट.
तो कहाँ यूज करना है?
कहाँ नहीं
So
करना
all
है.
these things is your vocal projection and dynamics.
Got it.
So we'll also touch base on this part of it.
Got it.
Okay. Then abhi we are in discussion to introduce, classical training as well.
अच्छा,
As and when if we genuinely get someone who's really inclined to, we have excellent mentors in our school who will be more than happy to teach.
got it.
But I want it to be in a way where it is done properly.
Makes sense.
Okay. So vocal coaching की अगर आप बात करें तो ये कुछ टॉपिक्स हैं that we'll be touch basing upon. इसके अलावा I have few things that I can talk about. Okay. So we'll also be touch basing on resonance and projection, which is what I spoke about. This is typically vocal culture and riyaz techniques.
Got
Okay. But music theory, okay, we will come into it if at all people want to learn, if we see students who are interested want to learn. As of now होता यह है कि बच्चे आते हैं and they want to learn a song because they say हम कहीं जाते हैं, we don't know what to sing or how to sing.
That is true. Yeah.
So I'm focusing on that कि जिसकी ज़रूरत है मैं वो दूँ.
Makes sense.
Okay, but still making sure that their basics are strong.
Strong.
Okay, so that is one. We'll be touch basing on performance skills.
Ji.
Okay, which will basically be about stage presence. Microphone using, very important. Most of the people I see, they don't know even how to sing on the mic,
That is
how
true.
to hold the mic, right? It's a microphone ऐसी चीज है जो आपकी आवाज को जैसा आप चाहें, it can project it that way.
Correct.
But you should know how. It's just not holding the mic and singing. There is a way to hold each type of mic.
Got it.
Okay. Okay. मैंने भी गलती करके ही सीखी है, right? 4 जगह जब हम जाते हैं, जब मैं, you know, during my journey when I saw people using it, oh, this is how you have to use it. Okay. बहुत सारे लोग मैंने देखे हैं, mic लेंगे, they will blow on the mic.
Correct.
They will dab it. You can't do all that. You'll destroy the mic.
Microphone. That is true.
You cannot do all that. So मैं जब भी I tell all my students, you know, my kids ki never do that. Never do that on the mic. They will drop the mic बिना, you know, किसी tension के, use it carelessly, keep it anywhere they want. Can't do all that. It's a very minute, detailed, you know, tool.
Instrument. Yeah.
Exactly. You can't deal with it in a very casual way.
Correct.
Okay, so microphone techniques. And of course, since Sharona ji is also a part, audio video creation techniques, someone who's really willing to learn about how audio video videos are created with great you know, audio, the equipment knowledge, the technical knowledge. Sharona ji is definitely part of my team too, wherein he would be the one who would be giving that knowledge. So that is there. Most importantly, you know, of course, photography goes hand in hand with it.
Ji.
And overall interpretation of a song. जब आप स्टेज पे होते हो, every song has a feel. उसको interpret करना is very important.
Bring that emotions out.
Yeah, you can't be in a zone where it's a funny song and you are in a zone where you're going too light or too, you know, in a sad mode. It will not bring out the meaning of the song.
Ji.
Right? So interpreting that song is very, very important.
Got it.
So we make sure that the person who's singing, be it an adult, be it a kid, understands what the emotion is. Without comprehending, you can't really give it out, right? जब
That is
आपको ही नहीं पता है, right?
When you don't feel the song, you cannot produce it. Makes
Correct.
sense.
So that's again one of the things. The next we'll talk about is genre studies, wherein
Okay.
we'll be talking about different instruments. So we have mentors from Bollywood music industry who will be teaching guitar and
Okay.
several other you know, string instruments. The person who teaches the guitar, his name is Sumit Chache.
Acha.
He is one of the leading musicians in Bollywood. He'll be mentoring the kids on guitar and sitar, many other musical string instruments.
Got it.
Okay, so I mean, I would really encourage parents, if they see their kid is inclined towards it, you know, definitely he's someone जिनसे सीखना, मतलब अगर मैं छोटी होती और मुझे मौका मिलता, I would have definitely done it.
Learn from you.
For flute, we have Vikrant.
Acha.
Vikrant ji, I have known him since a very long time. So people who know मोह के धागे song, right? अनुमलक जी का compose किया हुआ. उसमें जो flute piece है, that's played by Vikrant ji.
Acha.
Okay, so imagine learning from him,
That's true.
right? So he is one of the mentors in us. He will be teaching the flute. I'm encouraging people to get into the, you know, Indian flute. Western flute is of course beautiful, and I have seen and mentored a kid who has a Western flute and has played Indian music on it.
Music on it. Yes.
Okay, and we have done that. So it's not that it's not possible, but yes, बांसुरी की अपनी एक मिठास
Flavor
होती
होती है. Correct.
है, right?
जी.
आप उसको पता नहीं, it will give you that goosebumps वाला feeling. So that is there. Vikrant ji is for flute, as I said. For percussion, we have Vijay Jadhav.
Acha.
Vijay Jadhav, amazing guy. हमारी journey बहुत similar रही है. We have been together in Youth Festival. If people remember that I had mentioned Youth Festival during my time. So he was the percussionist. He's a lead percussionist in most of the shows that you see. Beat Saregama, Beat Indian Idol. He's always there on the stage.
Acha.
He plays drums, congo, tabla, pakhwaj, you name it.
Got it.
Okay. Percussions, Vijay Jadhav is the guy. So, kids are going to love him because the way he teaches. And see, the variety that you get, right? It's not that, okay, मैं तबला ही सीख रहा हूँ बस. The point here that I want to get out is, if a kid is interested in percussion, he should be able to play anything.
Makes sense.
उसको प्लेट दे दो, वो ताल देगा आपको, वो रिदम देगा आपको.
Got it.
Okay, that's one. Then guitar, I said keyboard. Keyboard में we have Amit ji. He's an assistant. He was working very closely with Lakshmikant Perlal ji.
Acha.
He's the one who works on background notations, background scores, identifying swaras. Basically, he will be teaching everything that's related to keys.
Got it.
Okay, so naturally, when you're getting such good people to learn from, why would you not want it, right?
Makes sense. There's no reason why you should not be.
Yeah, and again, it's very difficult to get access to these people.
Ji.
Okay, so by Radharani's grace, if यहाँ US में बैठ के, if we are getting that opportunity, why should we not, use it for our own growth,
Makes
right?
sense. Yeah.
So that's there. इसके अलावा, over a period of time, of course, we are thinking of different elective courses too, songwriting, production. It will come slowly because I also want to know that if I'm doing something, it better be good.
That is correct.
Right? I don't want to do it just because I want to do it. No.
Makes sense.
It has to benefit the kids or the
Yes.
students, right? इसके अलावा, as and when we see progress in the kid, right, we'll also have advanced vocal techniques like belting, and because it's important for kids to understand what is a vibrato, what is belting all about, what is, how posture makes a difference on your vocals,
Ji.
all those things. These are advanced techniques. We'll come to it as and when we see the kids progressing
Makes sense.
or their growth, right?
Makes sense.
Performance opportunities, you spoke about that.
That is true.
So with K-Vibes, you'll be having recitals. Okay. Most probably twice a year. We plan to have recitals twice a year. If not, at least that's our focus कि हम कम से कम 2 बार बच्चों को स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करते हुए देखें.
Makes sense.
We'll have those recitals. Along with that, IKEA has collaborated with us, IKEA band. The plan is kids who are really good. We'll have several levels for the kids
Okay.
or the students. Again, when I say kids, I specifically mean students. It's not related only to kids. Even adults are welcome for this. We'll have specific, graded levels
Got it.
for the students. And K-Vibes will have the prime slot for IKEA performances, which technically, again, will be twice a year.
Got it.
Every 6 months, we'll have a ticketed stage show, okay, with live music.
Nice.
And that band is going to go places.
Got it.
That is what we are aiming for. And I believe with people's love, Radharani's grace and blessings, we would be able to do that because kids are talented. I've seen talent in Dallas.
Definitely. And with these opportunities, they will definitely be more motivated too.
Exactly.
That's good.
See, problem ये है कि चीज है लेकिन डायरेक्शन नहीं है. अगर आपके पास डायरेक्शन नहीं है, आप कैसे जाओगे?
That is correct.
Right? So that's primarily why I wanted to do this at this scale, so that awareness बढ़े, people understand that just learning is not important. Learning के साथ you also need to have a direction where you're going. आप लर्न कर रहे हो, क्यों कर रहे हो, कहाँ जाना है आपको? फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्कूल, राइट? अब बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं, पूछते हैं ना हम लोग टाइम टू टाइम पेरेंट्स,
That is correct.
आगे करना क्या है तेरे को?
Yes.
It's same with music. Music सीख रहा है. My kid is learning music. Okay, what do you want to do? What does he want to do? बस ऐसे ही नहीं.
That is true. Yeah.
Right? अगर इतने सारे stalwarts हैं, they're learning music. There is a reason why they're doing that.
Correct.
God has, selected them. क्यों सबको नहीं आता है?
That's true.
Right? If God has chosen you, make the most of it.
Makes sense.
So I touch based on most of it, I think, in my curriculum that I have.
Yeah.
There are many other things also, like we have vocal health workshops, we have mentorship programs, we have community engagement programs. So there are a lot of things that I've mentioned, which of course will come as and when students enroll and they learn how the process goes.
That's true. So this is very informative. Like now we got a summary or detailed about what K-Vibes is and what they can do and how they can help. I'm going to share your contact information, so if any interested musicians wants to join, they know how to connect with you.
Absolutely,
And
absolutely.
I really appreciate you giving us time to explain about K-Vibes and how audiences and the musicians can benefit.
Thank you,
I definitely want to catch up with you on more episodes to learn more opportunities. Maybe we can break down each of those sections and
Absolutely,
go detail.
absolutely.
I will definitely post the information in the video in the description also, so you know where to reach and how to register. And thank you very much, Kamakshi ji, for your time and
Thank you, Sharona ji.
for everything that K-Vibes is doing to encourage the musicians.
Thank you.